Okay, my dear student, I am your social teacher. Okay. Today our topic is that a decade of democratic yes politics. Okay. What are the things that is happened from 2007 to 2017? This is our topic today. Okay, my dear student, and what are the incident that has been caused? Actually, in this unit, this is this lesson 2 actually from this history. Okay, from unit is 7. So what are the things that is happened? What are the incident that is happened from years 2007 to 2017? This is our topic today. Okay. The first, and actually this unit, this lesson is important for the timeline. This unit is means that lesson is important for this timeline. Okay. The interim government act was formed. Okay. First time in Nepal on the 17th Chaitra 2007. The interim act was formed when the democracy was introduced in 2007. And this interim government act was introduced in 17th Chaitra 2007 BS. After that, all the cabinet members, okay. After that, all these cabinet members from the side of Nepali Congress, they resigned from the post due to the murder of Chinia Kaji, a student leader, okay, on 25th Kartik 2008 BS. These are the incidents that has been caused in the history of Nepal from 2007 to 2017. Then after a single government, the single government of Nepali Congress formed under the leadership of Matrika Prasad Koirala on 30th Mangsir 2008 BS. After the murder of Chinia Kaji, this Nepali Congress resigned from the post. Then after Matrika Prasad Koirala's government was formed on 30th Mangsir 2008 BS. We are now talking what are the incident that is caused after this introduction of democracy from 2007 to 2017. Okay, my dear student, yes. And various political parties and these organizations like this Nepal Praja Parishad, okay, Communist Party of Nepal, as well as the United Democratic Front. Such types of these political parties were emerged first time in the history of Nepal from 2007 to 2017. Actually, this lesson is important for the timeline, my dear student. You must have to understand like this. And then after, now listen to me here, the government of Matrika Prasad Koirala, single government of Matrika Prasad Koirala was dissolved. Then after, the government was formed under the leadership of, under the prime ministership of Dr. K.I. Singh. K.I. Singh means Kunwar Indrajit Singh Kunwar, okay? Kunwar Indrajit Singh Kunwar, yes. The Dr. K.I. Singh started to, then after, Dr. K.I. Singh started to, revolt against the government of the, Matrika Prasad Koirala. Similarly, there is a leader like this Bhimdatta Panta. What? Bhimdatta Panta, okay, commander of this People's Liberation Army. He started the revolution in the Far Western Development Region, but he was killed in the jungle of Dadeldhura, okay, in Far Western Development Region. Government of Praja Parishad was also formed under the prime ministership of the Stanka Prasad Acharya, okay, on 13th March 2012, okay, BS. Then after, government of Dr. K.I. Singh was also formed. K.I. means Kunwar Indrajit Singh. K.I. means Kunwar Indrajit Singh was formed on the 11th Shravan 2013 BS. But very soon this government was also dissolved, and first general election was held in the history of Nepal. First time on 7th Phagun 2015. This date is very, very important. The first general election was held in context to Nepal on 7th Phagun 2015 BS, and first elected government was formed under the prime ministership of BP Koirala. Okay, my dear student. And finally, first elected government was also dissolved on the first post 2017. The democracy was abducted by the ambitious king Mahendra. So that first post 2017 means that first post is declared as a black day in the history of Nepal. The question may be asked you like this: why first post 2017 is the black day in the history of Nepal? Because the democracy was encroached, democracy was abducted by this King Mahendra. Similarly, people's needs, wants and desire were overshadowed, okay, people's fundamental rights were snatched, okay, people are not allowed to raise the voice against the panchayat system. So that first post 2017 is known as the black day in the history of Nepal. Okay, my dear student, this much for today. Again, tomorrow I will come with the next topic. Thank you very much.